How to add an overlay in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. This is the place where you can find different tools and even create a new project. Here on the left top, simply tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. So we in this editing interface. Here you can make different edits and cuts to the video. Here on the bottom you can find a tool named Overlay. Simply tap on Overlay. Now you can either add a photo or even a video. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize your video. So here I'm tapping on one. Now after you do this, simply add the overlay and you can easily edit it according to your choice. At last, you can export it and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.